Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first video of my channel. This channel, in case you haven't guessed already, will be dedicated to building Legos. So I'll be building Lego sets and designing building mocks as well. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be building a Lego set. This is not just any Lego set. This is set 10255, the assembly square. Guys, check this out. 4,002 pieces. That is a lot. So guys, this is probably going to take a while, so I'm going to be building it in the form of time-lapse, and I will see you guys in just a bit. Well guys, I'm finally done. This thing took like 8 hours to build, but I mean I'd say it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. And yeah, it was really fun to build actually. Despite the grind, it was a really good experience, and it gave me a lot of tips of like detailing and whatnot. So that's cool. And anyways guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of this thing. So starting with the cafe corner, we got a nice little sign above the door right there, and over here we got one seating arrangement and then another seating arrangement right here, both are tables. Moving on to the inside, we got like a table and a chair, a small one. Over here we got like a desk where you can order food and drinks. Here you got like the place where you make the food and stuff. So moving on to the flower shop, we got another desk where you can order, buy flowers. We got a parrot on a pedestal, little bouquet of flowers right there, and then you can also buy a whole bunch of bouquets right there. And on the outside we got a nice little rack of flowers and like a crate with a shovel and a broom. And moving on to the bakery, we got like a nice bay window where you can see the wedding cake. That's pretty cool. Over here we got another window where you can see some sweets in there. Over here we got a shelf of like yummy treats. Most of those actually I added myself. These lights are really cool. I believe they're used with like a I think this piece is like a gas pump, I think. And yeah, so I thought that was a pretty cool detail in there. Oh yeah, I forgot about the back. It's not too pretty, not much to look at, but I mean, it's part of the build, right? We got a nice stairwell, that's going to the second floor. Over here we got the crate, I believe there's cherries in there. And in case you're wondering what this does, you push that, and then you go over here, and then the oven pops open. And then you can see the cookies in there. Over here we got a nice little patio type thing. Back door there, and then a back door here from the cafe. Moving on to the second floor on the left side, we have a music shop. On the left side, on the wall, we got like a classical guitar and an electric guitar. Over here, we have a cool little drum set. Here we got like a desk where you can buy the instruments. And by the window here, we got a saxophone. That's pretty cool. Not much for this level. And we got the stairwell there. Over here we got the photo studio. That's pretty cool. Over here we got a dentist's office. With here we got like a seating place where you can just like wait your turn, I guess. Over here we got a really cool sink and some cupboards and some stuff in there. And over here we got the dentist chair. That's pretty detailed. That's really interesting. So on the third floor of this building we have a pretty simple room. We got a piano with a stool. Really cool mirror right there, and a stairwell and a little door right there that leads to the balcony. I believe this is like a dance studio or whatever. Over here we got a cool like barbecue patio. We got like a stove right there with a pan, a little barbecue there, some more accessories, and a table with 2 chairs. There's a stairwell right there going down to the second floor, and on this floor we got this lady's apartment. Little small kitchen there, that's pretty cute. There's the bathroom. I added that tiny little sink there. On here we got a shelf with some vehicles, Lego vehicles. Over there we got like a Lego expert set. Here we got a Lego train table, that's pretty cool. Over here we got a picture and some more like Lego sets. And right here is probably my favorite part of this set actually. It's a let's see if I can get it. It's a Lego hide-a-bed. Now that is cool. A Lego hide-a-bed, and yeah, I've never seen one of those before. So that's awesome. And I guess that's about it. There's a little rug there. And you know, of course there's some cool brickwork on the outside of this. I actually added this awning right here. But yeah guys, that's it for the third floor. Moving on to the roofs, we got on this side cool little skylight right there, and then like a trap door that leads inside the building. And over here we got a really cool spire. I like that. Here we got like a little chicken in there. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys, for in terms of the interiors. But well, we got some awnings there that I missed, and 2 lights. Pretty cool. And there's an awning there. that's actually pretty cool back there, that grate with some vines on it. I like that detailing really well. Of course, the sides are pretty plain, as you would be displaying them against other modular buildings. And yeah, this is a modular building, so each section just can be removed very easily and simply, just like that. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you click that like button down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.